Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Danti Resna. And today, I will be presenting a detailed review about an employment contract. Employment contract is a crucial document that outlines the terms and conditions of an employment between an employer and an employee. Let's dive into a specific. What you guys see is an employment contract. This employment contract formalizes the agreement between Microsoft Corporation, Alejandro Cruz as the employer and Charlotte Madden as the employee for a senior project manager position, effective from December 2nd, 2024. And now, let's go to the first section, heading and introduction. First of all, heading and introduction. The title of the contract is Sample Contract of Employment. It's clearly indicating its purpose. It includes placeholder for the agreements, date, and the full name of the parties. Also, during clarity and legal identification, this section set the foundation for the agreement by identifying the employer and the employee. And now, let's move to the probation. The probation section outlines a 6-month probationary period. During this time, both of the parties can assess their compatibility. Either party can terminate the relationship with the 7 days notice if justified, without any continuing complication. This ensures that both parties are satisfied with the employment arrangement before making a long-term commitment. Next, we're gonna move to compensation and benefit. Regarding compensation and the benefit, the contract specifies a monthly salary of NU 100,000 subject to statutory deduction. Additionally, the employee is entitled to benefit in accordance with the employer standard benefit package. Although the specifiers are not still here, but this typically includes health insurance, retirement contribution, and other perks. Next, we're gonna move to the duties and responsibilities. The duties and responsibilities section state that the employee will serve as a senior project manager. The duties are outlined in Annexure A. It provides clarity on job expectation while allowing for adjustment as needed by the employer. Now, let's move to the termination of employment. Termination of employment is covered extensively after probation period. The employer can terminate the employee for just cause without notice or compensation. Alternatively, the other party can terminate the employment with a notice period, 7 days during probation and 1 month post-probation. This section ensures that termination procedures are fair and legally complemented. The confidentiality clause protects the employer's sensitive information. The employee agrees not to disclose any confidential information during or after their employment, safeguarding the employer properly rights and interests. Next, we move to the assignment. The assignment section allows the employer to transfer the contract to a successor with the employee consent, ensuring continuity in case of change in company ownership or structure. However, the employee can assign the contract, maintaining the employer control over the employment terms. Now, we move to severability. Severability ensures that if any part of the contract declared invalid, the rest of the agreement remains effective. This provision maintains the contract enforceability even if one clause is struck down. And now, as you can see, this is working condition. Working conditions authority detail. As you can see, the first one is working hours. An 8 hours work day with overtime at 1.5 times daily wage for night shift. Second, public holiday, a minimum of 10 days with the possibility of substitute holidays by mutual agreement. Third, leave entitlements. First type of leaves are specified including casual, annual, sick, maternity, and paternity leave. Fourth, provident fund of minimum 12% contribution. Fifth, gratuity. It's eligible after 5-year continuous employment. And last but not least is OHS equipment. Provision of necessary personal protective equipment free of cost. Next, notice. The notice section specifies how notice should be delivered and provides a draft for both parties. Notice sent by registered mail are being reset after 5 working days, ensuring clear communication timeline. And now, interpretation of agreement. The interpretation of agreement is governed by the Labor of Employment Act 2007. This section ensures compliance with local laws and adjusts gender and number reference as needed, promoting inclusivity and clarity. And finally, execution. The execution section provides spaces for signature from both parties and witnesses along with the legal stamp. This ensures the document authenticity and legal validity. Last but not least is Annexure A. Annexure A lists specific duties of the senior project manager, providing clear job expectation. This annexure allows both parties to understand their responsibilities, ensuring mutual agreement on job function. In conclusion, employment contract is comprehensive and well-structured, covering all essential aspects of the employment relationship. It ensures clarity, fairness, and legal compliance, protecting the interests of both parties. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.